In this world of randomness and chaos, I can't believe we're living this moment right now. The most unlikely of stories, and on that 2014 New Year's Eve, our worlds collided against unimaginable odds, and we stayed in orbit. When we met, we were two 20-somethings with no direction, and we jumped headfirst into marriage. You helped me in ways that no one will ever understand, and you were there to guide me through the grief and the guilt of leaving everything behind. You are my life, my love, my gravity, my oxygen, and I love you and I like you.
Nothing precedes the start of a great romance more than immediately disliking one another. And yet somehow that was the start of us. We were basically kids when we met, and over the past 10 years, we've grown up together. Not everyone wants a Prince Charming. Some of us are just looking for our handsome Shrek. And I couldn't be happier that you're mine. So let's end this the way we started it. I love you and I like you.
Haley, do you promise to keep laughing at Ryan's jokes, even the ones you've heard 400 times, and let him believe he's a better cook, at least most days?
I do.
Ryan, do you promise to keep listening when Haley explains the plot of her latest book, and to always share the popcorn during movie nights, even when you don't want to?
I do.
You may now kiss your bride.
Thank you so much for being here. It's incredibly meaningful to have all these people that mean so much to us.
I'm not married, but when I think about what I hope to have one day, it's something like what Haley and Ryan have, a relationship of respect and genuine friendship.
May your life together be full of big climbs, magnificent views, and just enough of misadventure to make stories worth telling.
So as we raise our glasses, I want to offer a toast, not just to love and happiness, but to something deeper. Here's to building a life that's not perfect, but perfectly theirs.
Always be, it's a long list, open, understanding, patient, and forgiving with each other.